Moana, is that you? Is that Alexa? Play the Moana playlist. It's giving me very I Ride the Waves. I suntan. I'm that bitch. Like it's giving me those vibes. Like anyways. Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name's Olineece. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe. Because today we're gonna get into this highlighted headband wig from MIYA. So if you guys want to see all the details, whoa, scratch that. Before we get into that, if you guys didn't know, I make Amazon wig reviews on my channel, so if you guys haven't seen that, make sure you go check that out. Anyways, back to business, people. Let's get into this beautiful curly headband wig from MIYA right now. So here's the box right here. I must say, she is beautiful. She is absolutely beautiful. On the box, they just give you some info about their social media, y'all. Opening the box, add some more shine bright like a diamond, eh? Who let me get on YouTube? Of course, there's your wig. Ignore the fact that she's halfway out the bag because I've already won her for pictures. Then they give you headbands galore. She also had a little tag on the wig just to let you guys know. I have this wig in 20 inches before you guys ask in the comments. Since y'all don't watch my video, y'all just want to ask me. Just watch the video. Anyways, of course they have a pamphlet in there, and then they have a nice little baggie of goodies, and oh how we love the goodies. So in the baggie there were these goodies: wig cap, edge brush, comb, tweezers, and a makeup brush. I really appreciate that. Even though this is a headband wig, you still need all the tools for your headband wig to look right. Ladies and gentlemen, I can now say I have done it all. From the long, straight, highlighted headband wig to the bob highlighted headband wig, we now are introducing, drum roll please, I didn't even know I could make that sound. But here we go again. The curly highlighted headband wig! And the crowd goes wild. It's coffee. If you're asking if it's drugs, it's not. It's coffee. Coffee. Pulling her straight out of the bag, you guys. I have worn her before. So keep that in mind. This is what she's looking like. She is so gorgeous. She's so freaking pretty. I do have some oil on her, so ignore that, but she is a headband wig. She is tightly attached on there. This is what the cap is looking like. She is your regular construction with the 3 combs in the front, your Velcro headband strap, of course, and your comb in the back. This wig also does not have an adjustable strap. My edges are already done. I already have a wig cap on, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw her on for y'all. Okay, honey, and just like that, you are a curly hair girl now. No, wait, y'all, look at this, okay? She's so freaking pretty. I did not put any products in her when I first wore her. She does have a little bit of tangling. I do feel like it's mainly because I stuffed her back in the bag. This is not her natural curl pattern, to be honest, just so you guys are aware of that. This is exactly the curls that still came with the wig once it came out of the bag. To get this wig super voluptuous, guys, I'm just using a pick like this to pick through the curly hair. I realized that using a pick really helps you keep the definition of the curls and just separates them instead of running your fingers through it. When you do run your fingers through it, it makes this hair extremely frizzy. One thing I can say about this wig is that the roots aren't necessarily black, y'all. They're more brown roots. Personally, doesn't bother me, you guys, because I know this is a headband wig, as well as when I'm going to put a headband on her, it kind of takes away from your edges. Let me show you guys. So This is what I mean, you guys. When you do put a headband on the wig, it kind of takes away from the fact of your roots being black and the hair being brown. It's almost as though as that hair color change transition is somewhere hidden under the headband. A lot of people have been asking about headband wigs. Are they big head friendly? I consider myself to be big head friendly. I definitely say that this is a headband wig where you might have to put your edges out. I know a lot of headband wigs, people try to put the headband here and just like let nothing show. For me personally, the wig does not fit like that. She's just too tight. If you do consider yourself a small headed person or an average size, then it might work out for you. I would say my wig head circumference for a headband wig is about 23 inches. I'm on the big head side. I'm on that side over there with the heads are big, large. This is what she's giving, you guys. I feel like she's giving super beachy, super wavy, but because she is a headband wig, you can take her off and put her on anytime you want. Headband wigs are it, honey, and if you're not a part of the team, what are you waiting for? The second coming of Jesus? Girl, please. If you guys want an update on this wig, make sure to let me know in the comments so I can come back and update you guys on this headband wig per se. So I know I said this is a highlighted headband wig, and that's what it says in the description for the wig as they sent me. The low lights are very, very subtle, but it's definitely giving me more of a honey brown than that black because of the low lights just being so minimal. This wig I'm probably going to keep. I know I'm planning to sell a bunch of wigs, y'all, so make sure you subscribe for that because I will be having a wig sale. Let's all be honest. Curly hair is a mess, an absolute mess. Trying to keep it in or keep it on for weeks on end. You get tangling, the hair dries out, etc., etc. All these things that you have to deal with when wearing curly hair 24 hours. But a curly headband wig, on the other hand, you take it off, you put it on in the morning, you take it off at night. You do not have to deal with tangling in the nape from bed. Like, you don't have to make sure you have your huge bonnet on because sometimes like big curly hair doesn't fit in a small bonnet, okay? You're just avoiding all those issues that come with like installed or attached to your head curly hair, y'all. And this is it. This is her. This is she. But that's it for this video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up on your way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe. I also am trying to do shout outs on my channel, so if you have the opportunity, make sure to leave your Instagram name in the comments below. If you guys want to purchase this wig, be sure you check in the description box below. The link will be down there. I hope you guys are having a blessed and awesome day, and I hope to see you guys as subscribers, watchers, or commenters of my next video. Bye, and thanks for watching.